Okay, so I love when new makeup gets launched because I'm a makeup girly. And I'm going to show you the new Inner Fire makeup palette that just launched for fall. There's two new palettes. This is the more neutral colored one. There is 6 different shades mixed with mattes and shimmers. I have this eye done already, as you can see. And it's one of the things I like about this palette is that it makes your eyes pop with blue. If you're blue or light-eyed, green or blue, it really makes the color pop. So let's show how I completed this look. So I always like to start with the matte colors first. I did start my eyeshadow off with the Light Beam liquid eyeshadow. I have that from my lid to my brow. And I'm going to do a full over wash in the crease of my eye with the, this is called Hot Clay eyeshadow. I'm going to do it for my crease, a wide application through my crease. And I am going to go ahead and apply it over my lid as well. I'm going to make this a simple makeup routine and use this color from my lid through my crease. Next, I'm going to take the darker shade down here called Bring It Brown, and I'm going to apply that in the high point of my crease, in the outer corner through my crease, and I'm making it a higher application because my eyes are a little getting more, what's the right word? A little bit more hooded than I like. So I'm taking it up a little higher to make my eye look more open. So if you have a hooded eye, this is the technique you want to go ahead and take on and go through your crease and then go up a little higher so you see the color when your eye is open. This is a question I get all the time. See right here? That looks messy, right? This is just blending. Take a clean blending brush and I'm taking it from the top part of the line and I'm blending it down to make everything smooth and the color I want it to look like. Don't panic, just blend. And next I'm taking this color here called Fiery Coral, which is one of my favorite colors. It's really unique. And I'm just tapping it all over my lid. I'm using a tapping motion just to make it very pigmented right where I want it. And now I'm going to finish my eye off with dark brown eyeliner, mascara, and a little blending. I almost forgot. I want to put the Ignited Ivory right here in the inner corner of my eye. This is the color right here in the top left of the palette, just to give a little opening to my eye. And now it's time to blend. And that is the finished eye look with the dark brown eyeliner and black mascara, everything blended. I love the colors. They're so natural. I'm going to do my cheeks. I do have on my cheeks the new cream blush in Soft Buff. And I think I need more color to my cheeks, so I'm going to add another color over it. I'm going to take the new Coral Kiss Gel Cream Blush. I'm just going to tap it right over top of the lighter color I already have on, just to give me a little bit more color on my cheeks. Because I'm so fair, I need more color. And on my lips, I have the new Tinted Lip Balm that is, it just needs to be blended a little bit more. The neutral color Tinted Lip Balm all over my lips. I love the combo. The Tinted Lip Balms are my favorite. I'm wearing them every day in both colors. And that's it. I'm ready to go.